Murder case. Remember earlier we told you that Canadian government has arrested 3 Indian nationals. Now Canada is hub for gangsters and no action has been taken by Canadian government is the word that we have received from top intelligence sources. And in this exclusive news break, CNN News 18 has now accessed the list of Canada-based gangsters, and top intelligence sources have told us that we have shared list of A-category gangsters in Canada, but no response have been submitted by the Canadian government so far on that particular list. Canadian government is not keen to give any response on request of Indian government of handing over these criminals back to India. So that's the big update that we have received from our group editor Manoj Kumar Gupta. To walk us through all the updates that we have received so far in this particular matter, we have CNN News 18's Abhishek Jha joining us on the broadcast. Abhishek, a very good morning to you. Tell us that in this already strained relations between India and Canada, Abhishek, how are these very shocking updates coming in straight from Canada going to be another blow for this relationship?
Well, of course, these gangsters list that Indian government have submitted to the Canadian authorities for months now, they are pending without any action from that side. And that's a very interesting and concerning thing, because India has time and again warned Canadian authorities how these elements are in a way trying to take roots in the Canadian society and create that gangsters, mob violence, drug chain and nexus, and which will ultimately harm the Canadian society itself if they do not take preemptive action against these gangsters. We have seen a lot of these crimes happening in Canada in the recent years, and they have become a real menace for their law and order situation as well. But for some strange reasons, these anti-India and pro-Khalistani elements are allowed to operate and given a space in social, economic and political spectrum of Canada, and which is a very concerning fact for the Canadian government.
Definitely, Abhishek, and earlier we told our viewers about how 3 Indian men have been arrested in Hardeep Singh Nijjar's murder case. Now, what kind of response is the Canadian government seeking from Indian government over the arrest of these 3 Indian men who have been arrested?
Well, so far there has not been any commentary from the Indian side, but we do know that India has been very firm that unless and until some intelligence inputs are shared by the Canadian authorities, there cannot be in fact any cooperation, and India is ready to look into the case as soon as some substantial evidences are shared with the Indian authorities on this case.
Right, Abhishek. Also, please stay with us, because since we were just talking about these 3 Indian nationals who have been arrested by the Canadian police, we have got a big breaking news coming in with regards to the same. We are now learning that these 3 individuals have been charged with first-degree murder and conspiracy to commit murder in Hardeep Singh Nijjar's case. Abhishek continues to stay with us on the broadcast. Abhishek, that's very loud charges coming in against these 3 Indian nationals of first-degree murder and conspiracy to commit murder in Hardeep Singh Nijjar's case. What more updates do we have on that front?
Well, this is one of the major revelations that has come in Hardeep Singh Nijjar's case, and now Canadian authorities have said that after 10 months of investigation, they have pinned down these 3 men who were prime suspect in the case of Hardeep Singh Nijjar. And these 3 men, Karan Brar is 28, Kamal Preet Singh 28, and Karan Preet Singh 22. They have all been resident of Admont, where the region where the case has happened, and the police has also released footage of Toyota Corolla vehicles that the suspects were using in and around the area when the crime was committed in the Saree Gurudwara. So these 3 individuals and some incriminating evidences by the Canadian authorities have now been released, and they have said that these are the result of 10 months of dedication from their team, and they have said that it's not just the end of the investigation, and they are going to go after others who could also be behind this killing or in the entire chain of operation, and they will soon be able to reach out to them as well.
Right, Abhishek, if the Canadian police has sort of given out any statement against these 3 young boys of them being affiliated with any of the gang there, how did they in fact substantiate, because these are some very serious charges against these 3 boys?
Well, there is the case that Canadian authorities has revealed just a few hours ago is that these 3 suspects have been found involved in the killing of Hardeep Singh Nijjar. Now establishing the link between these 3 suspects and alleged link between Indian agents who were acting on behest of Indian government. That is what the Canadian authorities of the Canadian government has suggestively indicated. To establish that link that these three men were acting on behest of any Indian official, that is something that will create a lot of flutter between the two nations because the allegation by the Canadian Prime Minister earlier had made it very difficult for two sides to continue the bilateral relationship as a normal friendly countries. And with the arrest of these three men and the further interrogation, a lot more truth will be unveiled, and then we'll see some more, problem creeping into the India-Canada bilateral ties. Because now, apparently, the Canadian authorities have suspects under them. They have some evidences also, and we can wait for some more days before the Canadian authorities might share these evidences with the Indian authorities, and they will, as the Indian government has assured in the past, they will look into that.
Definitely, Abhishek. Thank you so much for walking us through all those crucial details that we have received in this developing story so far. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates. Right now, shifting